1. Opener, Blackfly. The Opener Blackfly is one of the most exciting developments in personal air travel, a compact electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that's designed for everyday users, not just trained pilots. With a sleek, futuristic shape and an intuitive control system, the Blackfly offers a seamless flying experience for one person. It doesn't require a traditional runway and can take off and land from almost any flat surface. Capable of flying up to 40 miles at a top speed of 72 miles per hour, it's built for short commutes or recreational flights. Even more impressive, it's classified under ultralight aircraft rules in the U.S., so no pilot's license is needed to fly it in many areas. Its 8 electric motors make for a quiet and emission-free ride, and it includes safety features like redundant systems and a geofencing boundary to keep pilots safe. The Blackfly is also amphibious, able to land on both water and land, making it incredibly versatile. Designed with carbon fiber materials, the entire aircraft is lightweight yet durable, and its batteries can be recharged in under 30 minutes with fast charging systems. This aircraft isn't just a concept. Opener has been testing the Blackfly for years, logging thousands of successful flights. It's a glimpse into a future where your daily commute could take place in the sky, bypassing traffic and reducing your carbon footprint. While it may not replace your car just yet, it's laying the foundation for the personal air mobility revolution. 2. Lift Aircraft. Lift Aircraft's Hexa is redefining what it means to take to the skies. This single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is essentially a giant drone you can fly. With 18 independent electric rotors, Hexa is designed for maximum stability, redundancy, and safety. It weighs just 432 pounds, qualifying it as an ultralight aircraft under FAA regulations, meaning you don't need a pilot's license to fly it in the U.S. Hexa is flown using a simple joystick and touchscreen interface, and it's supported by autopilot systems that assist the pilot in maintaining altitude and direction. The aircraft is also equipped with floats, allowing it to land on water, and includes a full ballistic parachute for added safety. With a flight time of about 15 to 20 minutes, Hexa is aimed at recreational users, thrill seekers, and first-time flyers. Lift Aircraft envisions a world where Hexa stations are set up across cities and scenic areas, allowing people to book short aerial experiences much like ride shares today. The aircraft's compact design allows it to be easily stored and transported in a trailer, opening up possibilities for remote locations and mobile operations. Lyft has already conducted successful public demonstrations and is gathering data to improve flight operations and user experience. As urban air mobility continues to grow, Hexa represents a crucial step toward making flying accessible, safe, and fun for everyone, not just licensed pilots. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, but making the journey itself a memorable adventure. 3J2000 Flying Car. The J2000 flying car is a bold throwback to the flying car dreams of the 1980s, now reborn with a futuristic twist. Originally developed by Sky Innovations and once known as the Mahler Sky Car, the J2000 is a vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that looks like a sports car fused with a jet. It features 4 ducted fans that allow it to hover, take off, and land vertically, eliminating the need for a runway. The goal is to combine the convenience of a car with the speed and agility of an aircraft. While it's not road legal and hasn't reached commercial production, the J2000 represents a long-term vision of a flying car future where commuting through the sky becomes a practical reality. Recent advances in lightweight materials, propulsion technology, and AI flight systems could breathe new life into this project, pushing it closer to functional prototypes and everyday use. The aircraft's intended cruising speed is over 300 miles per hour, making it vastly faster than traditional cars and even many planes in its category. Its striking design and historical significance continue to capture the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and engineers alike. While there are many VTOL competitors today, the J2000 remains one of the most iconic and ambitious designs in the space. It's not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of what happens when automotive and aerospace dreams collide. 4. Copter Pack. The Copter Pack is a truly futuristic piece of aviation tech, a real-life electric backpack helicopter that lets you hover like a sci-fi superhero. Developed by an Australian team, Copter Pack consists of a lightweight carbon fiber frame with twin rotors mounted on each side worn like a backpack. The pilot stands upright in a body harness and uses intuitive hand controls to maneuver in the air. It's fully electric, with self-leveling features and a gyroscopic stabilization system that ensures smooth and balanced flight. While still in early development, the Copter Pack has already demonstrated impressive vertical lift and flight control in real-world tests. It's not meant for long-range travel, but rather for short bursts of personal flight, potentially useful for search and rescue, aerial inspections, or just an adrenaline-pumping joyride. The current flight time is around 10 to 20 minutes, depending on payload and battery performance. What makes Copter Pack unique is its minimalist approach. It's not a flying car or an enclosed drone, but a wearable aircraft that gives the user complete freedom to float and fly. Safety remains a primary focus, with redundant systems and future plans for parachute deployment and emergency landing protocols. As electric propulsion and battery density improve, we could see Copter Pack become a real contender in the personal air mobility space. It may look like something out of Iron Man, but this incredible device proves that solo vertical flight is closer to reality than most people think. 5. KiwiGoGo T1. The KiwiGoGo T1 is an eye-catching autonomous flying vehicle designed for one-passenger flights in urban environments. It's a compact VTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft featuring foldable arms, smart navigation, and a clean, futuristic design that screams sci-fi come to life. The T1 aims to be a flying rideshare you can summon with a smartphone app. Just tap, step in, and take off. Its autonomous capabilities make it incredibly user-friendly, eliminating the need for piloting experience. Advanced sensors, obstacle avoidance systems, and AI-based route planning allow the aircraft to fly safely through complex airspaces without human intervention. With a target flight range of around 20 miles and a cruising speed of about 60 miles per hour, it's perfect for short urban trips, airport shuttles, or scenic aerial tours. The carbon fiber body keeps it lightweight while maintaining durability, and its electric motors ensure a quiet, zero-emission operation. KiwiGoGo is aiming to launch this as a point-to-point aerial mobility solution in smart cities, where vertical travel can dramatically reduce commute times and ease congestion. While it's still in development, the T1 represents a real shift in how we think about mobility, blurring the line between cars and drones. It's designed to integrate into air traffic control networks of the future, complete with digital air lanes and automated flight coordination. With its simple user interface and high-tech infrastructure, KiwiGoGo's T1 could be one of the first truly autonomous passenger drones to change urban life. 6. Volocopter Volocity Aircraft. Volocopter's Volocity is a game-changing urban air taxi designed to bring quiet, clean, and efficient aerial travel to crowded cities. This electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft features 18 rotors arranged in a circular configuration, providing exceptional stability and safety. Capable of carrying 2 passengers, the Volocity is engineered for short-range city flights of up to 22 miles with zero emissions. It's designed to land on rooftop voloports and take off again in minutes, making it ideal for quick hops across congested urban areas. The cabin is sleek and minimalistic, with large windows for a panoramic view, and the ride is virtually silent thanks to the distributed electric propulsion. Volocopter has already conducted successful public test flights in cities like Singapore, Paris, and Dubai, showcasing its readiness for real-world use. Backed by companies like Daimler and Intel, Volocopter is setting the pace for the air taxi industry. Safety is built into every layer, from multiple redundant systems to flight control software that can handle emergency landings with precision. It's not just a vehicle, it's part of a complete ecosystem that includes ground infrastructure, flight booking apps, and air traffic integration. As regulations evolve and cities look for greener transit options, the VoloCity is perfectly positioned to take flight and transform the way we travel above ground. It's the start of a new era where flying over traffic becomes as normal as hailing a cab. 7. Icon Life Aircraft, Icon of 5. The Icon of 5 is redefining recreational flying with its beautiful, user-friendly design and amphibious capabilities. This light sport aircraft looks like something out of a luxury catalog, built with both function and style in mind. It features foldable wings for easy transport and storage, a carbon fiber frame for lightness and strength, and the ability to take off and land on both water and land. The cockpit feels more like a sports car than a traditional aircraft, with touchscreens, ergonomic controls, and even removable side windows for an open-air experience. The A5 is built for pilots who want the joy of flying without the complexity. With a top speed of 109 miles per hour and a range of about 427 miles, it's perfect for weekend getaways, scenic coastal flights, or hopping between lakes. One of its standout safety features is the complete aircraft parachute system, which can be deployed in case of emergency. It also has spin-resistant wings and intuitive flight controls that make it one of the safest small aircraft in its class. Icon specifically designed the A5 to be approachable, even for new pilots, and it qualifies under light sport aircraft rules in many countries, requiring less training to operate. Whether you're flying for fun, adventure, or exploring remote spots, the Icon of 5 offers a unique blend of freedom, safety, and exhilaration in the sky. It's not just a plane, it's a flying lifestyle. 8. Drone Arc Aerosystems. The Drone Arc from ARC Aerosystems is a next-generation hybrid aircraft that merges drone technology with traditional aviation principles to deliver a powerful, efficient, and versatile flying solution. Unlike conventional fixed-wing planes or rotor-based drones, the Drone Arc uses a unique tilt-rotor gyrocopter design, allowing it to take off and land vertically like a helicopter while cruising forward at higher speeds with greater efficiency. Its architecture enables it to carry passengers or cargo in a range of missions, from emergency response and supply delivery to urban mobility and industrial inspection. The gyrocopter-based rotor system doesn't require powered lift during flight, drastically reducing energy consumption and improving range and reliability. With autonomous and remote piloting capabilities, the Drone Arc is also designed with smart navigation systems and obstacle avoidance for safer operation in complex environments. Its modular construction allows it to be scaled for different applications, including medical transport or last-mile logistics in areas where roads are inaccessible. The craft is fully electric, aligning with global trends toward greener aviation, and is being developed with future integration into urban air traffic management systems in mind. RC Aerosystems envisions this as more than just a drone. It's a complete aerial solution ready to fill the gap between helicopters and delivery UAVs. By combining the strengths of rotorcraft agility and airplane efficiency, the Drone Arc could redefine both commercial and civilian flight. It's a glimpse into how multi-purpose aerial platforms may reshape transportation in the skies. 9. Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation is leading the electric air mobility revolution with its sleek, high-performance VTOL aircraft designed for urban air taxi services. With 6 tilt rotors and a quiet, all-electric propulsion system, Joby's aircraft can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, then transition to forward flight like a fixed-wing plane. It seats 4 passengers plus a pilot and has an impressive range of up to 150 miles on a single charge, with speeds reaching 200 miles per hour. What sets Joby apart is its focus on safety, reliability, and low noise, crucial factors for operating in city environments. The aircraft produces less noise than a typical helicopter, making it suitable for flights in and out of residential areas without disturbing the peace. Backed by major investors including Toyota and Delta Airlines, Joby is aiming to launch commercial air taxi services as early as 2025, with FAA certification already in progress. The company has conducted over 1,000 successful test flights and is building the infrastructure to support large-scale urban deployment, including charging stations and vertiports. Joby also plans to integrate its air taxis with ride-hailing apps, making it easy to book flights as conveniently as you would call an Uber. The long-term goal is to offer fast, safe, and sustainable air travel that bypasses traffic and reduces commute times dramatically. Joby's aircraft isn't just a prototype. It's one of the most advanced and production-ready eVTOLs in the world today. This is the future of commuting: quick, clean, and from the sky. 10. H2FLY Liquid Hydrogen Aircraft. H2FLY is making a major leap towards sustainable aviation with its liquid hydrogen-powered aircraft, the HY4. Unlike battery-powered electric planes, which are limited by energy density, the HY4 uses hydrogen fuel cells to convert liquid hydrogen into electricity, offering greater range with zero emissions. In 2023, H2FLY became the first in the world to successfully fly a passenger aircraft powered by liquid hydrogen, proving the viability of this advanced fuel technology. The HY4 has a wingspan of over 21 meters and a range of approximately 900 miles, nearly double that of previous hydrogen-electric aircraft, using compressed hydrogen gas. The liquid hydrogen is stored at cryogenic temperatures in specially insulated tanks, and when converted in flight, it produces only water vapor as a byproduct. The aircraft is quiet, efficient, and ideal for regional transport, making it a prime candidate for replacing fossil fuel-powered commuter planes in the near future. H2FLY is working closely with European partners and aviation authorities to scale this technology and integrate it into commercial aviation. Their long-term goal is to develop hydrogen-powered airliners that can serve busy short- and medium-haul routes without contributing to carbon emissions. As the aviation industry seeks solutions to meet climate goals, H2FLY's work with liquid hydrogen represents one of the most promising breakthroughs in clean flight. It's not just a concept. It's a proven aircraft already flying today, paving the way for a greener and more sustainable future in aviation.